on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
It's your boy Jay Cruz, taking on the AUDIOZONE here with another day, another video. I always want to thank you guys first of all for the support y'all have given this channel. So we're here today, man. It's been a while I haven't posted. Been very busy, getting a lot of things done and situated. You guys don't know what's going on in my personal life, but it's sometimes irrelevant for y'all, man. It's just stuff that goes on here. But we're gonna keep on trucking, just keep the cruise crew in prayer, man, and just let God do what he has to do. But today we got a beautiful C8 that y'all remember we did these beautiful Lambo doors on. And so far, so good. No issue with that. But he decided to bring the car back because he wanted to do another touch to his beautiful C8. It's sitting on the 4Gs ECLs. But he said, Jeff, what can we do at the front end? So there's not a lot of kits available for this vehicle. And the reason is that the headlight is very, very, very well computerized. There's a lot of stuff that's in this headlight that is a computer for the turn signal, DLR, feedback to the computers, motorization of the lights. All this is included in this vehicle. So he said, what can we do? Start to look at different options, and one of the best options are gonna be on this bad boy. They're gonna be doing an Rgbw kit that can allow him to keep the factory, let me show you. Rgbw kit can let him to keep the factory white light when he's driving, keep the turn signal when he's turning, but when he's sitting somewhere, we can go ahead and have a color changing combination on both sides of his headlights. So we decided to go ahead and get the boards done. We can make these Rgbw, keep the turn signals, keep them white, but we're also gonna do something that some of these Vettes have a light here. It's more on the upper trims of the Corvettes. I'm gonna actually do a bar on the bottom of this vehicle here to give this a subtle glow, just to give it some kind of little accent to the intercoolers and the radiators that are right here. Not intercooler, but the radiators that are down here. So we're gonna work on giving it some kind of glow in this little area here. So you have something on the top headlight, which are gonna come from this design here, and also come with the glow down here. So to get this whole thing done, I'm gonna have the team start disassembling on the vehicle and have them start getting the car apart to begin the transition of getting the assemblies ready for installation of the Rgbw kit. This kit that we're going to be using will be coming from RGB Halos, is the company that makes this. Lighting Trends unfortunately did not have nothing available for this car. We were thinking about doing some custom flow tubes in here, but the sketchy part is there's some things that are 6 volts, some that are 12 volts that are stepped down in this headlight, and it could cause you issues with turn signals, errors in a dash. So we decided not to go that route. We went with the Rgbw kit from them, and I'm gonna kind of show you what it's like. So these pods that you see here, they're actually made from Oracle. As you can see, Oracle is the original manufacturer of it. They're sold through RGB Halo, but that is the kit that goes in the vehicle, and it's an Rgbw kit. So this pod is going to be installed behind the headlight, which I have the team show you. And then we got the Bluetooth controllers, the drivers, and everything else that is needed for the installation of this unit. So I'm gonna have the team get the car apart, start getting the wiring installed, start showing you guys a little bit of what it is. I know it's gonna start with lifting up the vehicle, getting to behind this headlight, which is gonna be removing as well, and getting this car situated and ready, so stay tuned. So I'm here with Josh and my son Isaac. They got the car apart, as you can tell. You can actually see right through there, right? Both sides, and everything is removed, the welds are removed. Tell us a little bit about what's going on here, Josh, and what we gotta do to get this going.
Take part stuff.
No, come on, man. Let's not give them a hard time. I see how that's coming out.
Do most of the work.
So down here, let me get a light down here so I can show them, Josh. Let me get some kind of light because they can just see exactly what it is. So we removed the well from the vehicle, and in here there's a board. You see this board up here? That's the factory board. That board can be coming out to get the new board installed and get this going here, because they're beginning to run wire, but I just want to show you because this board has to be removed, and then you'll be able to have that thing. But meanwhile that's going on, they're actually doing this here, which is something we kind of gave it a little look, that is not from the car from factory. So that right there is what we're working on here. Just giving you an update as they get everything situated on the beautiful C8 Corvette. Testing going on over here on the Corvette. As you can see, we're getting the effects going on. They're still doing all the install, but you can get an idea of what's going on the Corvette. And I do have to say, it looks fabulous. You like it, Josh? I love it, man. Just giving y'all a little turn up of the turn up, man. But you can see we got things flashing in the background. Car is still apart, but it is in progress. And I am gonna tell you, he is gonna be ecstatically in love with this thing. It is amazing. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so bringing you back a little update in the Corvette. I don't know what y'all think, but I think I'm loving it. I think it's looking fabulous. I think it's looking great. One of the modifications that we have to do, we have to hide this inside here, that part of the thing, to be able to keep all the air from the dash, but they're gonna go to take care of that and get that going. But otherwise, I think it looks fabulous, man. I don't know what you guys think, but to me, it's looking very, very, very good. So we're gonna let the guys do what they gotta do and get it closed up. We gave them a little accent down here on that little part that you see right there, and I'm actually liking it. But once they bring the car down, I'll be able to get the full image of what it can look like. But so far for me, so good. Stay tuned. Okay, crew. So here we are on the beautiful C8 Corvette, done with the DLRs, and we did the custom fog light from the bottom. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it looks amazing. Let me bring y'all up to it. So basically, in the factory tubes, you can see there, everything is lighting up good, and then we added that bar right there to give that light in the bottom. And we did the same thing over here with the custom DLR. So we have right now going through all the colors. You can see all the turn signal. Watch. Turn the hazards. So you got turn signals on this vehicle, which you can see go on the mirror, and here everything's there. And without the turn signal, we can go back to having the DLRs. And now you can see what it is. So he has white, he has purples, he has blues, he's going to pinks. It's just showing you all the colors. This is what it's looking like on this beautiful C8 Corvette. So I think it's a winner. I don't know what y'all think. Y'all comment below what y'all think about this build, man. Always want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. Y'all be good and God bless. So now we're here on another day with the Corvettes. He's actually adding an underglow kit, so we're doing a 6-bar, which would be 2 in the front, 2 on the side, and then 2 more in the rear of the vehicle, giving it a 360 look on the kit. This one's coming in right now. My boy Josh right there frustrated, but he is on it, so I don't think we have a problem. You think it'd be good, Josh? Stay tuned for the rest of the build. Update in the C8, y'all, so you can see her glow. We have glow going on right now, so Josh is in the process. I guess he's bringing it down, but you can see all the glow. Huh? I don't know, it's not done. I'm just giving them a little glimpse of what it's looking like. If we got the flow series going on all the way around the bad boy. So that's what it's looking like. Situated, stay tuned. Hold on. Alright guys, so about to give you a sneak peek of what the Vette looked like now at the end. Boy. Nasty. The front end is my favorite. What y'all think? Comment below. Killed it.